Recent rural to urban migration in the developing countries has caused some serious concerns for the think tank. With the growing population, access to clean water in the cities has been a huge point of concern. As water demand in the cities is increasing, it is creating a severe water crisis for agriculture and humans living in the rural areas. Moreover, the use of plastic has been a big problem for our aquatic life and water treatment plants. Every individual holds a responsibility for of preserving the water resources we possess. To ensure that the process takes place in a smooth way, a regulatory framework is needed for an effective wastewater control. The use of technology in the management of water can be very beneficial. For example, every household in the developed world gets a smart card similar to that of a bus card, which means that no household can use water more than that of a allowed limit. This will ensure that no water is wasted and it will create an awareness among the people. This is in line with the SDG number 12, which says responsible consumption. European countries are enforcing nutrient resource recovery as nutrient reserves of European countries are low and imported from countries with political instability. This leads to critical problems in agriculture and an increase in the prices of chemicals. It is expected that the next decade will see a wider digitalization of the wastewater treatment plants. This process includes early indication of the contamination and leakage detection and will also help us analyze the data. However, this requires a lot of investment and cannot be done on a shorter scale. But if it is done on a larger scale, a lot of benefit can be seen. This is totally in line with the SDG number 3 and 9 because people will consume clean water and have good health. Globally, more than 275 million tons of plastic are produced per year, which includes material like containers and packaging material. Annually, 35 million plastic bottles and 500 billion plastic bags end up in oceans and our beautiful beaches. Marine life is being harmed by plastics that are floating in the oceans. In addition to that, humans are also exposed to plastic materials with consumption of seafood, drinking water, and even the air. To address these issues related to plastics, we as a beach loving country must ensure we keep our beaches clean and strictly follow this framework. Moreover, we should also advocate to stop the using plastics for like one time like the plastic bags and the cutlery. In my opinion, if the system is properly monitored with the use of technology and digitalization, a lot of improvements can be done to improve the regulations. If a system is properly worked without having any flaws in it, it is largely considered to be a success.